Hey everybody, it's K-Tech! Welcome back to my channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, I'm super excited to show you something that's been turning heads lately. So, check out this phone. It's the brand new Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G. Just look at how stunning it is. The design is so modern and eye-catching, it really stands out from the crowd. The moment you hold it, you can feel the quality. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. We love sharing honest thoughts with you all, and trust me, this phone is worth talking about. It feels absolutely amazing in my hand, lightweight but sturdy and super comfortable to hold for long periods. It's slim, and the back has a cool texture that not only looks premium, but also gives you a secure grip. The attention to detail is impressive, from the smooth edges to the way the light catches the finish. And let's talk about the display. With a 6.67 inches AMOLED screen size and absolutely gorgeous. I love watching videos on it. The colors are so vibrant and everything looks super sharp. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, scrolling through photos, or just browsing the web, the visuals really pop. The high resolution makes every detail stand out, and the brightness means you can use it comfortably even outdoors. It's perfect for gaming too with it. MediaTek Dimensity 8350. You can really see all the details, from the tiniest icons to the most intense graphics. The smooth refresh rate makes gameplay feel responsive and immersive. So whether you're a casual gamer or a serious competitor, this phone has you covered. Want a discount on this phone? Just click the link in the description below. You won't regret it. If you're looking for a phone that combines style, performance, and a brilliant display, the Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G is definitely worth checking out. Let me know what you think in the comments and stay tuned for more awesome tech reviews. Let's talk about the camera. With the triple camera setup of 50 megapixels each, this phone takes amazing pictures. The photos are so clear, even in low light. It even has a special mode for night shots. Also, with a 50 megapixel selfies camera, it can capture image in low light condition. I really love using the portrait mode. It blurs the background and makes my photos look professional. This camera is seriously impressive. Looking for a free gift with your purchase? We've got you covered. Just check out the second link in the description. Now, let's talk about something that matters to everyone: battery life. In our fast-paced world, we rely on our phones for just about everything, from staying connected with friends and family to managing work and entertainment. So, having a phone that can keep up with your busy schedule is absolutely essential. With the Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G, you get a 5,100 milliamps battery capacity that can last all day on a single charge, no matter how much you use it. I've been putting it through its paces, messaging, streaming, taking photos, and even navigating around town. And it's still going strong by the end of the day. You won't find yourself anxiously watching the battery percentage drop, even with heavy use. Whether I'm watching my favorite shows, playing the latest games, or just browsing the internet, I never have to worry about running out of power. The battery is designed to handle everything you throw at it, so you can enjoy your content and stay productive without interruptions. And when it's finally time to recharge, the fast charging feature a 70 watts charging experience, making it a real game changer. Just plug it in for a short while, and you'll have hours of use in no time. It's perfect for those moments when you need a quick boost before heading out. The Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G is truly a reliable companion for your busy life. Whether you're a professional on the move, a student juggling classes, or someone who just loves staying connected, you'll never have to hunt for a charger in the middle of the day. With this phone, you can power through your day with total confidence. The software on this phone is really smooth and easy to use. It's super responsive, and honestly, I haven't experienced any lag. I love how customizable it is. You can personalize it to make it your own, which is just awesome. The app drawer is well organized, and I can find everything I need quickly. The Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G offers a user-friendly experience that's perfect for beginners and tech-savvy users alike. The future is here, and it's powered by 5G. The Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G brings you the next generation of mobile connectivity right in the palm of your hand. With 5G, you're not just getting faster internet, you're unlocking a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine streaming your favorite shows in ultra-high definition, video calling friends and family with crystal clear quality, and downloading massive files in the blink of an eye. This phone is designed to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, making sure you're always connected no matter where you are. Downloading and streaming are not just fast, they're instantaneous. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or catching up on your favorite series, buffering is a thing of the past. You can enjoy seamless entertainment on the go, without any interruptions. I can download movies in seconds. Large files, games, and even entire seasons of TV shows are ready to watch almost instantly. It's perfect for those moments when you need content on the fly, like before a long trip or during a quick break. The 5G connection is impressively stable, delivering consistent speeds and reliable performance. No more worrying about losing your signal in crowded places or during important calls. I haven't had any issues with dropped calls or slow internet speeds, even in busy areas. The Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G keeps you connected when it matters most, whether you're working, gaming, or just staying in touch. This is truly the future of mobile connectivity. 5G is transforming the way we live, work, and play, making everything faster, smoother, and more efficient. It's an exciting time to upgrade. The Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G is a fantastic phone overall, offering top-tier features and performance that make it stand out from the crowd. It has a sleek, modern design that feels great in your hand, a brilliant display for immersive viewing, an amazing camera for capturing every moment, and a long-lasting battery to keep you powered all day. Plus, it's fully 5G ready, so you're prepared for whatever the future holds. You'll be among the first to experience the benefits of next-gen connectivity. Don't miss out. Check out the links in the description for an exclusive discount and a free gift with your purchase. Step into the future with the Tecno CAMON 40 Premier 5G. Also, click the video above to watch our review on other gadgets review.